Hi, Rendelle from Uncivilized Vitality again. It's a special day because I'm making a few of these videos. And I just got done doing the sling bag with the Moreygami. So today, or now, when you see this, we're going to be making a backpack out of fabric, which is my second favorite bag to make. My first favorite, I'll put a link, boom, right there, will be from the sling bag, which this might look familiar from that video. This is what this guy looks like, boom. But now, some people don't like having weight on one shoulder. We're gonna do a backpack. So the first thing we're going to do is, you can use like a standard shemagh. This is a Moreygami, made special for me by Uncivilized Vitality. I don't know that, do we have these? Do we sell these? I don't think we do. I think a long time ago we did. So the first thing, so we need that, and then we need pocket Moreygami or a handkerchief. So I have learned in our days out in the woods, out frolicking and playing in the woods, I like bright colored fabric because it's easier to find, especially these handkerchiefs. You end up with like 3 or 4 of them in your life throughout the weekend or week for various tasks, and they're easy to misplace and small, tuck away. So that aside, a little side note there. This Moreygami, we're going to make into, fold in half into a triangle. And the two ends that meet, we are going to, this is going to be the top of our pack. We're just going to do an overhand tie. And I am not a knot aficionado. I know how to tie them. I don't remember half of their names. And it's a bend, a loop, a knot, whatever. So, and we're just going to leave that there to hang out and for the pattern to blend it in. And then we are going to make a, fold this handkerchief in half in another triangle. And I really like organized chaos. So this is something I normally would just bunch up in this length, but for you guys, we are going to roll this up pretty and make a Danielson, right? Yep. And then we're just going to lay this over top of that overhand tie that we did. What is that? A tie? A loop? A knot? Overhand. A tie?
Just call a half knot overhand.
Okay, so that's just half of that. And just lay it on top of there, and it's super simple. I mean, it's the first thing you learn in Boy Scouts, right, is we're going to make a square knot. So do right behind left, and then left behind right, because like I said, I like organized chaos, and I like to do it backwards. And this is, again, a hot mess of fabric, but so this is just, now this is tied into those 2 pieces and laying there. And the simple thing to do is we just like the sling bag, we're just going to tie these ends together. Now, in the sling bag, we used a slip knot, but when I learned to do the backpack, I learned it with the sheet bend. So, which actually, side note, that's my favorite knot. And if you want to learn how to do the sheet bend, I will put a link into the video that explains that, because I don't want to go over it right now. I got a lot to do today, so there's one, and it looks like your fabric is super tight and it's super bunched up, but it's really not. When it all cinches down, it actually lengthens out pretty good. And if I would have been thinking, I would have grabbed some things to put into the pack to give you a demonstration with that, but that's okay. Or Maury will. Okay, so I got my 2 sheet bends. And now, look at this guy. So we're just going to go up, over the shoulder blades, and now I've got a backpack. And if you're flexible enough, you got these little pockets on both sides, so you can just tuck things right into there. There's another one right here on this side, and you can just carry your pack. Super comfortable. Again, you don't have ropes and everything cutting into you. It's all fabric. This is my favorite pack for if I have heavier items to carry for the day. Like wintertime is a really good time to use the fabric pack. And these items have many uses. The fabric does. So what's great about that is you can just tear it apart at the end of the day after using it as a day pack. make it a pillow, make it a, I don't know, a footrest, a head wrap, all kinds of things. I don't know, Maury's got so many videos that will tell you the many, many magical things that you can do with fabric. But this is one of my favorites. One additional item to note is specifically men, but no two people are alike, right? Like specifically men are bigger, but there are bigger women out there too. And sometimes this handkerchief is not enough for the for the arm. So one thing that you can do is you can just use another shamog for the centerpiece instead. So you just roll up a shamog, tie it into these two matching corners, and then tie the ends. So I hope that makes sense. Like I said, it's my favorite, so I wanted to share it. It's actually my second favorite because this little sling bag is actually my favorite for a day pack. And they have you want to weigh in, Maury, on any additional uses for the fabric? So okay. So, and then we're going to end this with, I need you to like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell, and go to buymeacoffee.com/uncivilizedvitality and help us get more people outside. Free to them, little donation from you. Thanks.